Pinila so video long nali tumhana ki than ponji labang ki Assam direct recruitment grade 3 lapen grade 4 syllabus lapen question pattern aputhak nali tumhan la so a video long details particular dagalam nang kli tumhana piklang pon pon lapen ang than pachini pon ekpo ta son update nali tum kilong verze fan la so YouTube channel la bang nali tum subscribe igon latest update nali tum kilong verze fan bell arjans tame theklong ji hodas tame nali tum berpon igde non tangte non pathek pen grade 3 lapen grade 4 Assam direct recruitment syllabus lapen question pattern aputhak le pathek pen chithan ponona tangte non pathek pen ladak la notice aputhak lang pononang lapen chithan ponona labang so notice kapiklang pon labang ke kedam tang hot state level recruitment commission mate Assam direct recruitment grade 3 aputhak dak syllabus anotis sidak paklang poniklo lapen pi poniklo nalitum stame thek pon long et puta hailo lapen chini et puta hailo sitami ka chini tum stame duta hailang lapen karjulong le malapen ke thek long le tum stame duta hailang la so puthak si nilinon nalitum phan la so video long pathek pen nang than pachini pon ikpo ladak pi kedam tang aningkan 30/10/2023 I would say SLRCI in pestame dak advertisement people no grade 3 lapen grade 4 aputhak la non nali tum la screen along ke thek long bom la bang ke syllabus lapen question pattern aputhak lo mate written exam for class 3 mate grade 3 apu sapan dak written exam of dak syllabus lapen question amukha sidak pi pon iklo la soputhak nali tum phan nang than pachini pon ikpo kecheng si la a number along lang polonang dake for bachelor degree level post lapen bachelor grade 3 long stame lason kacharle ang deng bachelor degree level post tuma fan lo labangke kecheng si ko ppc pattern lapen question Kivangzima written test upon la soputhak stame dak tok pon lo kecheng sinali tum topic lapen subject bang lang ikon lapen dak number of question approx lapen dak marks per question kan anban la soputhak stame dak tok pon iklo kecheng si number 1 long social studies afan kadu ka pen 30 an question bang pipon po lapen per question along 1 marks an pipon po son that sidak general knowledge along benta dak 35 and the question bang pipon ekpo lapen per question along 1 marks lo lapen la son that sidak logical lapen reasoning lapen mental ability afan stame la so a subject afan stame dak 20 and pipon po question labang ke lapen per question long per 1 marks si pipon eklo lapen la son that do thula number 4 along stame general math afan mathematics subject afan da kadu ka pen 30 an question bang pipon no lapen per question along stame marks labang ke 1 ansi pipon no la son thak dak number 5 long dotulang general english kadu ka pen dak 10 an question pipon po lapen marks bangke dak 1 marks an per question long pipon ikpo la son thak number 6 along reading lapen conversation lapen english language afan stame dak kadu ka pen 25 marks an direct 25 question an dak pipon po lapen per question along labangke dak 2 marks an se per question along marks bangke pipon iklo la son thak se exam labangke kadu ka pen exam apor labang 3 hours mate ghonta ke thom andak and pon ekpo lapen total question labangke 150 lapen total marks labangke 175 lo degree level apos afan bangke lapen puthot dak b number long dolang for each SSLC level apos afan grade 3 each SSLC level apos afan stame dak question paper labanga pipon eklo pattern of question for written test afan kecheng si labang ke nali tum la lang pon igo topic lapen subject lapen kan question si dak ki pon sima lapen isi question along kan ana marks si ki pon ma la soputhak stame dak tok pon iglo social studies labang ke dak kadu ka pen question 30 an people lapen 30 question along pen isi is per question along stame 1 marks si dak pon lo so son that general knowledge along benta 30 question pon full lapen per question along 1 marks lapen la son thak sidak logical lapen resourcing lapen mental ability along stame kadu ka pen dak 20 question pipon no lapen isi question lampen isi an dak marks bangke pipon iglo ason dak thak dak general english long same 35 an question pipon la pen par question along 1 marks se dak pipon lo puthot dotulang dak general mathematics along same la son lo 35 question la pen per question alone 1 marks ansi pipon lo ason dak thak exam apor la bangke kadu ka pen gunta getam mare 3 hours lo la pen total marks 150 la pen direct total question 150 total marks ta 150 lo la pen puthot grade 3 mate SSLC level post mat driver post afan bangke la son lo pattern of question for written test afan bangke ke cheng sinali tum serial number topic subject la pen number of question per marks per question dak thek pon long iglo la son dak thak si kiching si social studies long pen 20 marks la pen per question along 1 mark an la pen ason dak si dak general knowledge along sta me thakadu ka pen 30 question and people po general knowledge along pen la pen per question along 1 marks and people po la pen number 3 along logical la pen reasoning la pen mental ability along sta me dak 20 marks and people po per marks 1 per question 1 marks to la pen general english along sta la son 30 question people po per question along 1 marks la pen general mathematics along sta me per question 30 question la pen per question along 1 marks la pen puthot dotulang road la pen transport along pen sta me dak 20 and question people po la pen per question along 1 marks and pipon pola son thak thak sida kadu ka pen exam la bange 3 hours to total question 150 total marks 150 an dak pipon lo son thak thak si putha dake tok pon do thulang number 1 along nani tum thek pon long exi number 1 along ke tok the question paper in each level with the consists of multiple choice question MCQ only and for every question there will be only one correct answer to be choose from the given option ase MCQ bangla son hodak masi question do pola pen optionally tum hini ki thom long ji ala so hini ki thom long pen kolo bang si answer ma nali tum hodak tik pi do nang po lalo la pen number 2 long the number of question mentioned in the about tables of different subject or or topics are indicate and the approximate the actual number of question the question paper may vary slightly but the total numbers of question will be remain 150 only lason thak thak lo kitok pon la bangke apen lason dak pena andulo la pen question paper la bang nani tum kilongji language la bangke Assamese Bengali English Bodo la pen Hindi Silong ikpo la pen the date of time of examination will be due to course of the time dak fix pon pelang a time la bangke selecting more or one option the question will be treated as a wrong answer and will be awarded negative marking lason dak isi hini ki tok pon do la so puthak banali tum lang pon ingo puthon non grade 4 performance tamil lang pon lo na grade 4 aputhak nali tum puthot dak thek pon long exam ate class 4 aputhak dak tok pon ta penang ando the DRSL will be two separate categories of written examination for one post categories of post of read up to class 8 category and for post category of post for SSLC mate class 10 class 10 pass or the equality examination category including SSLC class 10 pass or quality examination along with ITI pass category ITI pass certificate in trade and written electrician fitter welder mechanic electronic mechanical from government of Assam Afrox Institute asida ke tok ponda do thulo grade 4 long stami dak puthora category do thola class 8 ke charli tum han stami do la pen class 10 ke pass tum han stami do sonda tak sida copy pia subject long kon anlo mala tala so puthak stami dak tok pon lo la pen English social science la pen mathematics general knowledge la pen mental ability and logical resourcing laisi lailong pen si dak pipon po la pen kan mala so question ta nilinang thanik po la pen question paper language la banani tum kilong ponji la son thak se Assamese Bengali Hindi Bodo la pen Hindi lai hoise question paper bank available lo la pen puthot dak do thula there will be total of 135 multiple choice question carrying 1 marks is to be attempted in 2 hours 30 minutes 150 minutes mate dak la son lo total dak 135 question answer pipon po multiple choice question la pen 135 long pen tame one question long pen 1 marks answer alang litum pipon po la pen exam apor la bangke 2 ghonta 30 minute jola sala mate total da 150 minutes answer pipon po la pen only one answer will be correct answer for each question la se la ta la son no da hini ki thom andui question answer option stame answer la bangke isivat si ki chokji son se pulo negative marketing of 0.25 will be awarded for each incorrect answer la pen the date and time written exam will be immediately due to course of the time ase wala sot apor the time bang nili mona than pachini ponek pon on dak update bang pipon pelang la pen so alolong ki tok anason bang nili stame eso isi hini bang nili padak pon jailo mate nang than pachini pon ek thek thedalo lase nalitum details kelang ji afan pura nalitum whatsapp group telegram channel long stame nili already send ikelo nalitum dampen lang ik pameno kicheng pen ki julan ku pc da ke tokpon ma nili bang an apor bang long le dalo nonta video pina an ding iglo la sinalitum na so video ko an ma share on sharing la son update kelong ver ji afan la so youtube channel la bang ke nalitum subscribe ko tangte pinia video long la an leng ton poring nang do mi thak mi ka du ka we Karbitis 2.0 YouTube channel long kelang ratu ana fans tame nilhin pen kardom.